This week's fragrance is Tom Ford's Santal Blush. This has got to be one of my favorite Tom Ford fragrances. I personally love the Tom Ford fragrances. Some of them are kind of missed, but a lot of them are so stunning. This is one of those stunning fragrances. It is just so versatile, but it's also kind of just like a forever scent. Like it is a classic scent that will never go out of style, in my personal opinion. Sandalwood is the first thing I get here. There's also all this amazing woodiness, and there are some spices. There's a beautiful floral that goes through here, like white flower. To me, it almost comes across as like a touch of white flower sweetness, where it's not sugary sweet or even rose sweet. It is like a skin sweetness. There's a warmth to it. There's a muskiness, sandalwood spice, a slight cinnamon spice. It is that creamy, comforting, warm scent. I have not found other fragrances that smell very similar to this. Maybe kind of a similar family, but nothing that really replicates Santal Blush. And I love that woodiness that comes through, because yes, you have sandalwood, but the woodiness really helps to balance it out. And that's also why I feel it would smell so good on men and women. I personally am a sucker for men wearing women's fragrances and women wearing men's fragrances. I think there's something really sexy about a male or female feeling confident to wear a male or female fragrance or a unisex fragrance. I really love mixing it in with more vanilla, kind of sugary scents, but also if I want something a little deeper, amber scents, tobacco scents, and smoke or like incense, that pairs so beautifully with this. It is a heavier, richer effect. In the opening, you do get a lot more of those spices. It says Indian spices, I think, are what is listed, and you definitely get that in the opening, but in the dry down is when you get this amazing, warm, rich, creamy sandalwood, white florals, benzoin sweetness and depth, and oh my god, it's such a delicious scent. I would highly recommend going to check out Santal Blush. I think it would be such an amazing gift also. I would at least get a sample or spray it in store if you can safely, but Santal Blush is a favorite of mine. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite Tom Ford fragrance is. I have a couple that I have my eye on, but I would love to have any suggestions if you have one that you think I would love. So let me know in the comments. But until my next video, thank you as always so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you soon. Bye.